How's it going, YouTube? Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys a quick trick on how to connect these battery connectors for battery wire to the battery wire without crimping them. So this is a quick and easy way to do it. I'll show you real quick. Alright, so first thing you're going to need, some glasses, some safety glasses. You don't want any of this flying into your eyes, that'd be really bad. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to heat the copper connector up with the torch and then kind of make a puddle of soldering wire inside the connector, and then we're going to shove the actual cable in there. So get a nice long strand of this, set that aside, and then I'm going to turn on the torch, light it real quick, start heating this up. You want to heat this up until the actual solder wire starts to melt inside of it. And you're going to want to get about, I don't know, maybe halfway up this little cavity in there, filled with just liquid solder. There you go, it's starting to melt. Got a little more than halfway, but should be alright. Alright, so I'm going to go bend down and grab the wire. See if we can't shove it in there. 1 second. Alright. I'm going to heat this up for a few more seconds so it's all liquid still. Alright, now I'm going to put the wire in. Like so. Make sure you shut the torch off. And just hold it there for a couple minutes, maybe a minute or so, or at least until it's hard. Let's see. It's actually pretty good right there. So just hold it there for just a couple seconds, and there you go. Nice and solid. It's not coming off. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped.